Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So today we're going to be talking about Workhorse stock. If you guys don't know what Workhorse stock actually does, Workhorse stock is a company that specializes in producing large battery powered EV trucks. The biggest news surrounding Workhorse stock right now is its current deal with USPS, United States Postal Service, about rolling out 180,000 trucks for a $6 billion deal. I know the deal has been speculated to be estimated around $20 billion, so it's a big deal, and the stock in itself has not been doing so well. A lot of people are wondering why Workhorse stock continues to sink, even though it's currently in a big deal with USPS. You guys have to understand that sometimes when the deal starts to lag or the deal is not going through as fast as people thought, it leads people to sell off the stock. But I'm here to tell you guys to actually buy the dip on Workhorse stock. It is worth the investment. Once it lands this USPS deal, I know Workhorse stock is going to be a great stock, and I know it's going to have a lot of growth. Analyzing the 5-year chart, this stock actually IPO'd December 11, 2015 at $5.90. I mean, guys, looking at the 5-year chart, it is up 328%. Even the 1-year chart's up 620%. You guys cannot deny that growth. And I'm telling people right now that this stock is super valuable. And here's why I think people should be picking up Workhorse stock. Alongside of its actual deal with USPS, the stock is still relatively cheap. Only $25.30. I mean, guys, this thing is worth the investment. You guys should buy the dip on this stock. I know the last week it is still up 17%. Although today down 6.78%. This stock is worth the investment. This stock is worth the value. Not only is it in talks with a huge deal with USPS, it's also in talks with UPS as well about rolling out delivery trucks. And you guys have to understand the overall stigma of the EV market. The EV market is growing. There's a lot of hyped up demand for the EV market. A lot of people are in want for the EV market and EV cars. Why is that? Because not only are they cheaper, they're better overall when it comes to maintenance costs. They're better when it comes to gas because you don't have to fill up. Workhorse trucks are actually known to have a 160-mile range. That's a huge range for delivery when it comes to delivering locally. I mean, these vehicles are going to save companies a lot of money. Companies love to save money, which is why people are going to be knocking at Workhorse's door when it comes to be rolling out EV trucks. A lot of people are bullish on the EV market. All the EV companies are getting bullish sentiment. And even in the state of a pandemic, when all these EV companies are not, or all these companies are not doing well, you have airlines and cruises who are not doing so well compared to like tech, but EV continues to climb. EV continues to make a name for itself. And I know that once the stock market recovers, I know that EV is going to be a top competitor in what people are going to be picking up as far as the stocks actually go. Workhorse stock is worth the investment. I mean, their trucks are awesome. Their trucks are already on the road. They've passed the certifications. They've basically passed everything they need to actually get on the road. I mean, overall, this stock is huge. Right now, Workhorse's market cap is only $2.7 billion. It's still a very young company, and it still has a lot of room to grow. I'm very excited with the USPS deal, and I know that Workhorse stock is probably going to get this deal. I know that they've been in talks about it for a long time, and I know that with every day that passes by, it's getting closer and closer to actually landing the deal. And I know that not only that, but like I said, once the deal is gone through, it's going to make a lot more of a reputable name for Workhorse stock. I know it's going to put it more on the radar. And I know there's a lot of upcoming EV companies. I know there's Hyliion with their trucks. Tesla's rolling out large trucks. Nikola's doing I don't even know what. And you also have Workhorse stock. But I think Workhorse stock, I mean, it's already in talks with a deal with a huge company, meaning that they offer a specific value that companies are noticing Workhorse stock. I think overall the company is worth the investment. I think people should buy the dip. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But to not be able to buy this huge EV company that's growing, that's in talks with a bunch of huge companies about deals for $25.15, I think people should seize this opportunity, guys, because it may never come again to pick up the stock for $25. You have to understand there's a lot of delivery companies out there. There's Amazon, there's FedEx, there's all these companies that are offering delivery services. This is where Workhorse stock comes in because they produce electric delivery trucks. It's a huge market. It's a huge untapped market. And I know that once it gets going and once it lands deals, that this thing is going to be making a lot of money. It's going to be putting itself on the radar, and it's going to make itself appetizing for a lot of investors. Guys, buy Workhorse stock. Please Do not miss the opportunity while it's still cheap. Only $25. It is worth the investment. It is worth the bullish opinion I have on this stock. It's going to go for a long time. The EV market is getting super rampant. A lot of people are bullish on the EV market because they know that this is going to go for a long time. I know once Workhorse is not going to just stop at trucks, guys. It's going to be rolling out a lot of battery powered items, and it's going to be a very good service to everything. So guys, please buy the dip. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Please let me know what you guys think of Workhorse stock. Do you guys think Workhorse stock is worth the investment? Do you think Workhorse stock is going to land the USPS deal? Let me know what you think of the current situation, guys. I'm very curious to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like the video, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.